Hello students, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, mole concept. The mole concept is a convenient method of expressing the amount of a substance. Any measurement can be broken down into two parts, that is the numerical magnitude and the other the units that the magnitude is expressed in. For example, if I have a ball of mass 200 grams, I express mass is equal to 200 grams. The 200 is the magnitude and the grams is the unit which expresses this magnitude. But when we deal with the particles at atomic or molecular level, microscopic level, even a small amount of the sample, say 1 gram of the pure element, is known to contain a large number of atoms. Very, very large number of atoms or molecules. Therefore, we need to have a unit which expresses such large number of atoms and molecules. Such unit is called mole. A mole is a count of very, very large number of particles, large number of atoms or large number of molecules or ions or electrons, can say. A mole is a count of very, very large number of particles, which is equal to 6.02214076 into 10 to the power 23 particles, which is rounded off to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So such a large number of particles, this number is denoted as, number is called Avogadro number and it is denoted by Na. Okay, this is like 1 dozen means 12. 1 dozen of apples is equal to 12 apples, 1 dozen of bananas is equal to 12 bananas. Similarly, 1 mole of substance contains this much of particles, Avogadro number of particles. Now, what is the actual definition of a mole? There are so many ways to define mole, but the one which is very important is given by International System of Unit, SI definition, according to which a mole is defined as the amount of substance that contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon-12 isotope. And what is the special thing in 12 grams of carbon-12 isotope? Carbon-12 isotope, the 12 grams means the gram atomic mass of the carbon-12 isotope. Am I right? The 12 grams means gram atomic mass of the carbon-12 isotope. In this 12 grams of carbon-12 isotope, how many carbon atoms are there? That quantity is called 1 mole. So 12 grams of carbon contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. This quantity is called 1 mole. So in general form, if I take any substance, say oxygen, what is its molecular weight? Its gram molecular weight is 32 grams. Its gram molecular weight is 32 grams. This is 1 mole of oxygen. And 1 mole of any substance contains how many particles? Avogadro number of particles. So 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen molecules. And this is very important to note down here. If I say 1 mole of oxygen molecules, you must say Avogadro number of oxygen molecules. If I say 1 mole of oxygen atom, which is equal to Avogadro number of oxygen atoms. One more example, if I take carbon dioxide, what is its molecular weight? Gram molecular weight is 44 grams. 44 grams contains Avogadro number of particles. This 44 grams again equal to 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to 44 grams and 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro number. So let us equate like this. 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Right, 1 mole is its gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight, and again 1 mole contains Avogadro number of particles. So 44 grams is the molecular weight of the carbon dioxide, which is equal to 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and which contains how many molecules of carbon dioxide? Avogadro number of carbon dioxide molecules. Right. One more example, water. Its molecular weight is 18 grams. Its gram molecular weight is 18 gram, which represents 1 mole of water molecules. 1 mole of water molecules contain Avogadro number of water molecules, which means 18 grams contains Avogadro number of particles, right? This is Avogadro number of water molecules. Okay, so you can understand in this way. Mole is the Avogadro number. 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro number of particles, and 1 mole of any substance is its gram atomic mass in case of atoms or gram molecular mass in case of molecules. So this is you can easily understand. 1 mole contains this much of particles, and 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number of is equal to its gram atomic mass or gram molar mass.